I'm Emma Ryan, integrative nutrition health coach and founder and owner of Plant, and today we're making a strawberry coconut smoothie. It's summertime, it's hot outside. I wake up and want nothing but smoothies, plus it's a great way to get in, some extra nutrition in your body. So we're gonna start with half a frozen banana. I'm gonna toss this in the blender. And then we're gonna do 1 cup of frozen strawberries. Toss those in. I have half a cup of toasted, unsweetened coconut flakes. So those are key to the flavor in this smoothie. A tablespoon of hemp seeds for some extra protein. A tablespoon of ground flaxseed for some extra fiber. It'll help keep you full. I have 1 medjool date without the pit, so make sure you take the pit out. And then I am going to add just a pinch of salt for some extra flavor. Just helps kind of enhance the flavor. And then I have a cup of our house-made almond milk. If you haven't watched our video on how to make almond milk yet, I highly recommend you do that first. And now we are ready to blend. Cool, so now after about a minute, this is good and ready to pour. This is a really thick and creamy smoothie. Kind of reminds me of like a strawberry milkshake almost. If you don't love coconut, you could omit the coconut. But I personally love the taste of coconut. So here is our strawberry coconut smoothie, perfect for summertime, very refreshing, and packed with some extra nutrition for you too. I hope you enjoy this smoothie. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you next time.